the latest celebrity news from the INF newsroom in New York. The partying is over for actress Lindsay Lohan for the next 3 weeks at least, after she was sent to jail for breaching a DUI probation order. Lilo will spend up to 20 hours a day locked in her cell at Linwood Jail in Los Angeles. Lindsay's mom Dina and sister Allie visited her on Wednesday afternoon, but dad Michael Lohan had been told to stay the hell away by his convict daughter. Serial cheater Jesse James has finally been given the go-ahead by a judge to relocate to Austin so his daughter Sunny can be near his ex-wife, Sandra Bullock. James won the custody battle against Sunny's mom, former porn star Janine Lynn Mulder, and now plans to leave California to start a new life in Texas. In Toronto, Katie Holmes had been hard at work playing a pregnant Jackie O in the soon-to-be-released series, The Kennedys. Despite her busy schedule, though, Katie still had time to fly into New York for the premiere of Extra Man, before heading back to Canada to continue her day job. Meanwhile, in New York, Justin Timberlake and Mila Kunis were spotted strolling through Central Park as they filmed their new movie, Friends with Benefits. For once, JT didn't seem too concerned photographers were around to take his picture. Makes a change from him running away or trying to attack the paparazzos. And that's the latest celebrity gossip from the INF newsroom in New York. For more entertainment news, visit us online at infdaily.com.